Today in the shop, I'm CNCing some of these KRVR material handles. These have like aluminum chips in there, and they're color changing too. When they get above like 80 degrees, they change color. And this is the first operation, which is the back side of the handle. So this is the part that's going to touch the tang. And you see the outline. You can see our holes here, and they're chamfered. And then here is the software, the cam that's running it. And here are all the parts that we've made so far today. So here there's like a sparkle, this is like a mesh, this is a bronze and brass mesh, this one's aluminum mesh, this is like a rake pattern in there. These are chips, and again this is color changing stuff. Here's the brass and bronze too. So this one actually was is actually a kind of brass and bronze with a glow, so it glows in the dark. And then here's a brass and bronze just in black. And then this is a weave, like a fabric in there that will be visible when we polish it. This is the brass and bronze. Look how shiny that is. This is not like a finished part. It's really gonna show up really nice. It's in black resin. Keep an eye out for our next video. We're gonna see all these materials turn into chef knife handles in the next step. We'll see you next time.